Hola, keeping it sassy. Keeping it sassy. Hola, keeping it sassy.
What's going on? Welcome back to my universe. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. You feel me? As you guys can see, I am reacting to Lighting Strikes a Moving Car. Okay? Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on every social media. You know what I'm saying? Your girl is blowing up on TikTok. Okay? Period, poo. But anyways, let's get started.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
Yeah, I love the rain. Wait, what?
The family inside of this car was completely safe and nobody was hurt.
That shit sound like a motherfucking firecracker. What? Oh shit. Okay, luckily his shoe caught it because his ass would have.
This person was trying to land a small plane in rough conditions. The rain made it difficult to see anything out the front, and the wind kept pushing the plane around.
Hey, boy.
That's why you're supposed to get on the airplane while it's raining.
This thing set down.
You're doing so much.
Hey, boy.
I
don't like that.
He was still able to safely land the plane.
Oh, the tailwind there. Wow.
The wind blowing on the airplane, y'all, shit. Motherfucker. Whoop, whoop. Damn.
Let me show you why you can't measure the size
That's
of the
why
sun
I don't
based
mess
on taking
with...
a picture or video, unless you're using a proper filter. There's the sun. That's how big it is.
Oh, wow.
Looks a lot bigger until you put a filter on it.
This person was just inches away from getting hit by a car.
What? Luckily, that person was paying attention. Oh, no! Ooh!
Today's new.
Ooh, I'd be so pissed. I'd be so scared of it. No fucking way. No fucking way. Oh, wow.
Here's a time lapse of a pumpkin growing.
Why it's so yellow? Why it's not turning colors? I guess it need more sun once it's finished growing. Oh, wow. That's a big ass pumpkin.
2, 3.
Oh.
This person likes to make desserts and then destroy them.
That looked nasty anyway. Now I can understand if it had like some vanilla, but no.
Hey!
Oh! 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 Oh no! I hope you don't fall. That's nice.
I recorded a video of this sunset yesterday, and I thought it was really beautiful.
Oh, that is beautiful. Look at the reflection on the water.
That's the end of this video.
I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. It was the... Let me bring it back. It was the lighting on the car for me, okay? Because that shit looked like... It sounded like somebody was busting at them. You know what I'm saying? Very unexpected. You know what I'm saying? That shit hit them 3 times. But anyways, make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.
Look at that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl.